Yeah, we're working with Strong Wheels this year. Pretty excited about that. Got their brand new DS15 wheel, which is just released. And the DS35, we're going to be running it as a combo this year. So super excited to see how the car looks with it. Gotta say, we're going to be super excited to see how these look on the car. So yeah, the DS15 I think looks fantastic. It's got these lovely contour lines and stuff like that. And once we get the contrast wheel stickers on it a little bit later on, I think you guys will really see how well the wheel looks on the car. And obviously the DS35, we have a set of those as well. So when it comes to it, we'll put the DS15s on one side of the car and the DS35s on the other side of the car, and then you guys will tell me down below what wheel we should run this year in the car. Well, I'll run both of them anyway, but that will give you guys a bit of an idea what to expect. Jeez, you give me a fright there, sir. What do you think? What's your opinions? If you had to pick one over the other,
35s.
35s, you like the other ones, the 5 spokes? Mm-hmm. Yeah, these look pretty cool too.
I like the dish.
You like the dish, the concave? Yeah, they're pretty good. The DS15s, I think, like, I'd be indifferent. Like, the DS35s were my favourite that they had, and then they released these things, and I was like, damn, they're pretty cool too. Because last time we had 5 spokes was when the car was, remember, they had the black kind of grey wheels and the stepped lip, but there was like a chrome outside and the centres were painted black. That would be cool to do that actually, wouldn't it? Be paint the centres on black and then have chrome on the outside or something, like powder coat or something. But yeah, looks good. What do you think, John?
Yes.
How much? For you, free.
Yes.
So as a quick update, we are currently prepped. This is Monday, so by the time you see this video, it's kind of announcing the whole deal. It'll be probably a separate video versus some other things. I'm not sure I'm going to work all the videos out, but we're going to be running these extreme tires. So I'm actually in the process of waiting to see if someone can mount all of our wheels and tires on the car. So we're going to be running these extreme, well, on the front the S4 compound, which is 160 tread wear and 225, and on the rear, well, you guys can see it there. Look, we'll zoom in. Can you see it? Yeah, 265/35 S3s or 220 tread wear. So VDC, IDC made some changes to the tire rules this year. They've removed kind of 200 tread wear tires, and they're now limiting it to be like a 220 and above tread wear tire class, I guess. So there's a couple of brands that are available in Ireland, but Group D supply extreme tires, so we're going to be supporting Group D and we're going to be supporting Extreme, so that'll be fairly fun year. So hopefully we'll have some good success. The car is wrapped green, you might have seen. I'm sure by the time you see this video, the car will probably be released, so quick little teaser of what's to come. But you probably have seen it already fully done, hopefully by now. So not much to say. John is back again. He's helping us finish off the doors. Oh, I never showed you, John. I actually got the windows. So these are Eugen. These are Eugen factory door windows. So Sean from Eugen factory sent these out. Tom Murphy's been keeping them for me for the past few months, and so of course last minute I decided to pick them up. Typical me. Do you need scissors or something? What you got? Oh, strong hands. John man hands. Oh. So, cool thing about Eugen factory is all of their items are actually recyclable. So we use all of this kind of brown paper. I'll move my monster out of the way. Use all this brown paper, all kind of being cool stuff. But that's the window. That looks pretty impressive, doesn't it?
That is good.
Yeah. So Sean has some pretty interesting videos of him trying to break these, and he just can't. They just reform back to normal shape again. So big shout out to Eugen. Nice supporter as well of our program, and these windows will go nicely into John's carbon Kevlar doors that he made for us. So, but they look fairly sweet. S14, what's it say? Polycarbonate. Okay, yeah, it says polycarbonate, something like that. Yeah. That's gonna be fun to mount. Should go on pretty quickly. That's it, isn't it? Yep, that's it. Nice. Oh my god, we're getting shit done. Bunch of stuff done recently. I think last time you guys might have seen this, we didn't show any of the wraps. So we got the boot lid, we got the quarter panels done, we've got our carbon Kevlar doors on that open and close lovely. We got our Eugen factory door windows, which I showed you guys earlier. Front fenders or front wings are on. I'm going to clean up this mess here. I'm currently in the process of just tightening down all of these clamps and silicone stuff and making up a new hose there, silicone hose for the air filter. So just getting that all situated. This done. Bonnet has a bit of black on it, so jumping ahead for the livery design. So still got to do this door. We've came up with a nice procedure putting in the windows, and I think it's super solid. So shout out to Yugen Factory with that. We've got my list here on the window, quite a bit. I'm hoping to try and get started most of the engine stuff right now, get that kind of situated before I head to bed tonight. But yeah, we're getting through the window stuff. I was hoping that that wouldn't be too hard, and it is not too hard. So Yugen Factory made it super simple on that. Still some stuff in the interior, some bodywork still to do, bond pins, boot pins. Got wiper blades, as stupid as it sounds, but gotta put it down. Yeah, so we're getting through it. We're looking fairly solid. You would have seen as well, we got new wheels, so they're getting mounted tomorrow morning once I'm talking about this in this video. So big shout out to Liam Keane for sorting me out with that. We got tires, we got a lot of stuff. We got very good news as well earlier that my diff parts arrived in Northern Ireland, so they're being shipped. Hopefully I'll have them tomorrow. And yeah, it's just a matter of labor of love of getting this thing back together. So I do apologize with updates. I don't know where these videos are going to end up. I'm trying to make another 2 videos, so by the time you see this video, the car will probably already be revealed. So I don't mind showing some of the stuff right now, because I think this could be hopefully like a Thursday video. So we'll see where we go, but things are looking good. I'm getting excited.
So I've test fitted the bumper to the car. Kind of show you what we're working with here. There's a few problems, but we should be up there in a few.
So it's a few hours later and we're doing the first burnout in this car in 2024. Feels pretty good to be spinning some wheels, smoking some tires, but yeah, the brakes aren't the most confidence inspiring, and I think yeah, my burnout session here wasn't the greatest, but we head back to the line. We give some space here to Davin Leahy to make sure, you know, we're not going to completely spear him on turn 1 if the pedal doesn't work anymore. And I just drive to turn 1 here just to make sure nothing falls off the car or anything. And then I pull the handbrake, which seems to work amazingly, and we just finish off the run. Yeah, not much to say here. The car was running like 38 psi in the tires. I didn't even know what pressure was in the tires when they were mounted. We literally pulled the car off the trailer, torqued the wheels. I threw in the harnesses, which I threw them in pretty quickly, put on my race gear, and head straight out to the track. And this is the second run here with Craig Searles, whose car ended up breaking down. It wasn't running right, but not a bad run. So. So we're at the practice day, so it's been a few days since our last update, and we have the S14 back together. It looks absolutely unbelievable. Obviously we still haven't put our sponsor stickers on, but we got about 3 laps today. We've got some issues to fix. My sister Enya is deciding to clean the car up, even though I'll probably remove that wheel later on. But it looks unbelievable. I'm really happy how it came out. Still some tiny bits and pieces to do. We have to tighten up some stuff, check some stuff. I have to find my petrol cap because I lost it earlier, and I robbed one from Chuck Geary's E36. So but yeah, car looks good. Got to put all the responsive stickers on it, and then yeah, we're ready for 2 days time. So we got tonight and all day tomorrow to check things over, to make sure everything's all good, and hopefully we're going to slip to do the alignments. The whole car was all over the place. I just wound in the tow arms on the rear just to make sure I had something to tow in on the back of it. They're probably still not even towed in. I think the car is way too low in the rear. Like, you should see it there, it's like ridiculous. So we'll raise it up, get some more travel back into it, and yeah, we'll properly unleash it someday soon. But we put fresh brakes on it, as you remember, and I have absolutely zero braking power right now. I'm a bit of a handbrake, but I've nothing else, so we're just crossing our fingers every time I initiate it to make sure everything was all good. So yeah, car looks amazing. I'm really happy how it came out.